Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today and this video because, as you can see, I'm in London, and basically me and Alice have got the most festive, wonderful day planned, going around to so many cute Christmassy spots, because obviously Christmas is very different in London this year, but I feel like they're still going to make it lovely. The lights are all up and there's going to be a buzz to it because our lockdown that we had ended a few days ago, so we're still like got restrictions, but it's a bit more flexible. People are going to be out and about, so yes, back in the flat. And I decorated the tree this morning because even though I'm only here for a week, I still need a tree. So we have the tree over here looking cute with my advent calendar. Oh, and look what we have here, a gift underneath the Christmas tree. Obviously I do know about this. My mum basically gave this to me to take back to London. She said I need to have it for the festive season, so I might as well open it now. Yeah, I do have an idea what this is, so
that is such a nice jumper. Okay, Noelle. Ooh, Pandora!
You always know when it's a Pandora box, it's gonna be a good thing. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so I always wear my Disney Pandora charm bracelet, but for Christmas, Mama's got me a Christmas Pandora charm bracelet. This is so cute. Let's look at the charms. So we have a carousel, we have Minnie and Mickey with a present, and we have a cup of hot cocoa.
Oh,
how cute.
So
now
cute.
I can be like that woman from Santa Claus too. She's like,
Yeah.
I have my Christmas charm bracelet. Get on the tube for a while and then we will see what our first stop. Alice is almost ready.
Almost.
Yeah, but we don't want to show her just yet the ground. Hello, hello, we have come to Elan Cafe because they have the most adorable looking Christmas specials. They have Christmas cakes, they have Christmas drinks, and it's all just a lot, and I'm here for it. The only thing, it's weird, they have like obviously the menu on your, oh, focus on that please. They have the menu on your phone now, which like, it's kind of weird, but I feel like it's gonna stay after COVID, but I feel really antisocial just like sitting on my phone.
I know,
waiting.
I'm not just texting, I'm looking at the menu.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Alice's ensemble, by the way. A pink sweater dress. And mine is a red sweater dress. I'd love to see it. The first thing has arrived. Alice has got the special small hot chocolate. Oh wow, thank you. You pour it into the chocolate bomb and it kind of like melts. And then we also have this adorable Tree of Hope cake. How cute. And they have this in St Pancras Station. This is like a cake version to eat. Very excited. Tree of Hope. Tree of what? Tree of Hope. Look at that. Oh, typical Alice. Getting it everywhere. Take a delicate hand. Oh. This is the quality content that you deserve. In theory, it melts. Oh, it has melted at one side.
Yeah, I can see it's going.
Oh, it's going. Oh yeah, look, it's coming down the bottom. Let's just ignore that. Mistakes were made.
Oh my god, this is edible.
Yeah, it's a chocolate bomb, but the other way around. Quite delightful. Sip, sip. Hot, hot. Oh, we got it.
That is
Hot chocolate. Is it actually? Is it anything special? I thought it was just gonna be a regular hot chocolate. Let me give it a go.
There's a crumb on the side.
But I know, exactly.
Graham cracker crumb was smart, so
And now we have the main event, acai bowl, even in December. We love to eat it. Avo toast, we love it. Here we go. Main course is smashed, literally. And now delving into the Tree of Hope. Alice? Tree of Hope. Okay, are you ready for it?
I'm not ready. Oh my god.
Is that good? I can't even see it from here.
Like a mousse extravaganza.
Oh wow, that does look really good. Proof is in the tasting. Which side do you want? We're gonna get something of all of the layers. Emily's created a Tree of Hope cake, inspired by her love of Christmas. That's really good. Really? It's like Nutella-y in the mousse. Really good. There's like a slight crunch to it. Is it a handshake? What an Alice. Good choice. Alice goes, oh, I don't actually need my whole half because I already have my hot chocolate. Takes the first taste. She's like, I would like to take that back. This tree gave me hope for the new year. Life will be better. I feel like I mentioned literally every single vlog right now that I work for Harrods, but across the street from Elan is Harrods. Their sale is on right now. They do Christmas so well, so we have to go check it out. Animate the rules. Hello, Mr. Bear. Oh my gosh, there's so many baubles. I love it. And another Mr. Bear. And another Mr. Bear. This is this year's Christmas bear, Nicholas. Buy one, get one half price. How cute. So sweet. We've discovered that Nicholas Bear right here is 50% off. Someone's tempted. A lot of them are buy one, get one half price. So why don't we just get two? If there's one thing Harrods knows how to do well, it's Christmas. My goodness. Definitely rivaling Disney when it comes to just making the most of truly the best season of the year. Picked up a few cheeky bargains in Harrods. I will do a little haul when we get back. But now we are wandering through Hyde Park. The sun is out, the sky is blue, I love you. And we're on our way to Bond Street. Vibes are immaculate, loving life. It is cold, but like when it's blue you kind of trick yourself into thinking it's warm. I don't think it's actually that cold. I'm quite comfortable temperature. My fingers are cold. Why put your gloves on? Look at that. The vibes. Just impeccable. Alice, what time is it?
Disney Store time?
It's Disney Store time and they have a new layout event display for the first time in forever since Frozen 2. So I'm really hyped. It's in honor of the new Disney Christmas advert, which I personally think is the best one of the season. I know in the UK we take it very seriously, the competition of the different Christmas adverts. Let me know if that's a thing in your country. But I personally think this one's number one. Number two is Tesco. I don't even know, I feel like John Lewis really let us down this year. Oh my gosh, look. It's so cute. Oh look, they have all the stuff related to it. I love it so much. Gosh, look at all the stars. This is too much. All the Mickey. I love it so much. Someday I would like a whole tree of Christmas ornaments like this, but that would be so expensive because each one is like £12 or something. Someday. Oh my gosh, look at the Bo Peep one. Elsa. Oh my gosh, this Mary and Bert one has stolen my heart. Oh my gosh.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
That's not okay. I apologise in advance for how repetitive my content is when I come back to London, but yes, I'm back at, there is no identifying thing there. I'm back at By Chloe because I need it. It's just, it's part of my identity. I need to get the quinoa taco bowl. I also splurged and got some fizzy fries because I'm freaking starving. It's only 4 o'clock, but we're freezing. We basically wandered around, saw loads of different festive displays. London has gone all out this year, we love to see it. Then Regent Street was pedestrianised, which felt like a throwback to the Pride weekend. I was living for it, even though again I'm freezing cold. Yeah, me and the cold don't do well in summary, but I'm very excited to get some food and warm up from the inside out. And then we're going to go back outside because by the time we are finished, the sun will have properly set, the lights will be all on and glistening, and I'm excited to see it. Yes, I just really need to get warm. Alice is peeing, she's been needing to pee for the last hour and a half. Oh well. My goodness, this is what we call Emily Wright right here. Quinoa taco, sweet potato, double dips. Love to see it. Oh my gosh, Covent Garden is my favourite place, but especially at Christmas time. Apple Market tops off. All I can think about is Taylor Swift's Mirable. I'm not mad about it. So pretty. I just want a nice shot of the tree, okay? Calm down.
Oh, well why are we still standing?
You've eaten the tree of hope. Now we see the angel of hope. Here to save 2020, shining, shimmering, splendid. Oh, what a sight. Christmas time is here, and too many people are here. What a beautiful sight. The whole vlog has just been me progressively looking worse and worse each time I go to vlog. It's only 6 o'clock, and yet we're back and we feel exhausted. But before I take a shower, okay Sarah, I'll do a quick haul of what we got today. I only bought stuff from Harrods, so I'm just gonna show you. I'm more showing you because I'm just like impressed with how cheap it was. So they started their sale already because everything was closed for a month for COVID, but seriously, they popped off. So first thing I got was this Harrods Winnie the Pooh little like cosmetic case. I thought I would pop it in my bag with little essentials, and this was originally 15, reduced to 10, but then I get a third off as, you know, like staff discount. So I just love it so much because it's like, it's where I work, my favorite character. I don't need to explain it anymore. Then I got for my mum this down so I can unwrap it. Oh no, it is so strong. I don't think I can do it myself. I got this little tray because she likes to put treats out on these kind of trays around the Christmas time, and obviously it's Harrods at Christmas. Oh my gosh, you can see my like viewfinder in the reflection. Anyway, I thought that was so cute, and it was £5. But then I got to the register and they said that it was part of the Christmas promotion where it was like buy one get one free. So I just got this Harrods 2020 Christmas bauble, and the total, oh sorry, I thought it was just on one side. I was not actually the Harrods both sides. And then the total was £10 for all of that, and this bauble was originally 9. Crazy. It originally would have been 15 plus 5 plus 9, would have been £29. Got it for 10. I love a bargain. Woo! So yeah, but that's all I got today. Other than that, I was just soaking up the good Christmas vibes. It was pretty busy in London today. It was crazy. I didn't film as much as I thought I was going to film, but I hope you enjoyed what you did see. We are going to watch the new Fairy Godmothered film on Disney Plus. RIP the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique at Disney World, and get cozy. And I I don't know what I'm saying. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Comment down below. Oh, Disney Plus suggestions, anything like more a bit rogue. Subscribe for more fun and adventures. I hope you enjoyed another vlogmas, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.
Let it snow.